to another edition of the Market Runner Show, beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Runner Show, the investment channel helps you to find best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure that thumbs up definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. Alright, so we'll be going over the crypto watch list for this week. Hope everybody's having a great week. Getting close to the end of the week. We've got one more day left to end the week. So let's jump into the list. First on here we have Bitcoin, ticker sign BTC. They are currently at $44,450. On the 30-day, they're up 36.01%. On the 7-day, they are at 4.17%. On the 1 hour, they're at 0.44%. So Bitcoin looking very nice still overall on its little bullish run. So it's kind of lost some steam. It was around 46,000, fell back down to 44,000 where it's currently at. But I think overall it is still bullish. Still looking at some price targets. Some people are saying that Bitcoin's going to get to 100K, but we'll see if it has another little push from where it currently is at. But overall, still bullish on Bitcoin. Next, we have Ethereum. Ethereum is bullish, so looking very nice on Ethereum. Ticker sign ETC. We see on the 30-day chart, 53.87%. They are up. 7-day, they are up 6.10%. And then on the 1 hour, they're at 1.52%. So overall, looking bullish on Ethereum as well. They're currently at 3,062. So looking very nice on Ethereum overall. What are my views on Cardano? I think Cardano is going to do really good. They're having a nice little bullish run. They're at $1.87 at the time of this stream. I think overall they're doing really good. Chris Hodgins, who is over Cardano, I think is doing very good as well. They did have that little partnership with what was it, Ethiopia, some time back to help track their progress in their school systems. So I think that kind of brought Cardano to the forefront. But I think for tokenomics wise, I think Cardano is a really good project, a lot faster than Ethereum. It does have someone who's the co-founder of Ethereum who's over Cardano, but I think there's a good team surrounding Cardano. So overall, I think Cardano can definitely have a nice little bullish run going up. Yeah, so the guy over Cardano is the ex-co-founder of Ethereum. So him and Vitalik Buterin, hopefully I'm saying that one correctly, is the other guy who's for Ethereum. Uh, but Vitalik got a lot more, or is getting a lot more recognizable than Chris Hodgson's is. So uh, on here we can see Cardano's up 47.79%. On the 7-day, they're up 33.08%. Then on the 1 hour, they're up 5.67%. So on the 24 hour, they're up 1.47%. But overall, still bullish on Cardano overall. So Polymetric and VeChain I don't have on this list, but I can add them once I get to the end of this list. I'm going to say right now, Poly I think is a really good project. Overall, I think it has a really good basis around them. They have a really good team. And VeChain I think is a really good team as well. But I'll add them to the bottom of this watch list and see if they're on this site. If not, I'll do it on CoinMarketCap when I get to that one. On here we have XRP. XRP's been in the news. A lot of people talking about XRP rallying. I think on the stream yesterday they were at 99 cents, so really close to $1. Didn't really break that threshold of $1, but overall still looking very nice for XRP. We can see on the 30-day chart they're at 57.94%. 7-day they are at 30.96%. On the 1 hour they're up 1.53%. They are down in the 24 hour, but the 1 hour looks like they're starting to rally. But they're currently at 96 cents. Going to be seeing if they can break through that $1 level. That'll definitely be a key indicator for XRP. Because they're still going through all their legal stuff. So they have a lot of stuff going on with XRP. That's why they're not on there. You can mine XRP though. Surprisingly, if you get the unminable, download unminable, you can actually mine some XRP. I think you can create an XRP wallet on Coin Coinbase and deposit it through that way. But I'm not sure because I haven't gone down the route of XRP. So I know Dogecoin, which is the next one on here, you can actually mine as well on Unmineable. A lot of people sleeping on Unmineable. Unmineable is a great way to get into mining that a lot of people aren't really looking at. I think mining kind of goes over people's heads a lot as far as getting into cryptocurrency, but it's a great way for you to get into crypto if you have old computers laying around or CPU or something like that. Yeah, I think staking crypto is a good way to grow your account um, in general. So, I mean, if you want to, you can stake however much amount you want or whatever coin you want. But staking is a great way to grow your account, especially when it gets to like Ethereum and Bitcoin, because they're the two pricier ones. Especially Bitcoin. I know a lot of people don't have $44,000 to buy one whole Bitcoin, but if you do stake, it'll help you grow the amount of Bitcoin that you have. From wherever level you're at. So if you have $20 to put into Bitcoin, it's not like you're gonna have $1,000 worth of Bitcoin tomorrow, but staking a little bit adds up. It's kind of that compound interest thing going on. So definitely staking is a great option for growing your crypto account. Dogecoin is currently at 26 cents. On the 30-day, they're at 36.10%. 7-day, they're at 31.31%. And on the 1 hour, they're up 1.21%. Ethereum Classic ETC is also up as well. They're at $60.86. So they are at $33. Up 33.08%. On the 7-day, they're up 14.18%, and on the 1 hour, they're up 1.66%. So overall, Ethereum Classic looking really good as well. Shiba Inu looking very good as well. On the 30-day, they're up 6.52%. 7-day, they're up 22.32%. On the 1 hour, they're up 0.78%. So Shiba Inu looking good as well. And next we have Cartesi. Cartesi, ticker sign CTSI, is looking good as well. The 30-day, they're up 6.52%. 7-day, 22.32%. And on the 1 hour, they're up 0.78%. So actually, I'm looking at the wrong one. Cartesi's up 60.31%. And then the 7-day, they're at 53.67%. On the 1 hour, they're up 1.39%. So Cartesi looking good overall as well. Next, we have Electroneum, ticker sign ETN. They are up 120.64%. So Electroneum definitely making some bullish upward movement. On the 30-day, looking very nice. On the 7-day, they're up 5.64%. Then we can see on the 1 hour, they're up 2.56%. So, looking really good overall. Next we got Casper. So Casper is up 120%. And then we can see that they are 5.64% on the 7-day, and then 2.56% on the 1 hour. Their ticker sign is CSPR. Then we have Bitcoin. They're actually down on the 1 hour, down 1.44%. But on the 30-day, they're up 107.22%. So looking really good overall on them. But are down on the 24-hour and the 1 hour. Next, we have AirSwap, ticker sign AST. They're up on the 30-day, up 103.18%. And then they have on the 7-day, 31.21%, and then on the 1 hour, 0.65%. I would say just the main ones, my personal opinion. So it's not financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest or not to invest into any of these plays on here, by the way. So, but ones that I'm looking at for long term, probably going to be Poly, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, and Bitcoin. So those are the ones that I'm looking at for long term because they're kind of the most. And then Cardano, I guess, could be a sixth one. And then for some of these on here, they do have long term potential, but It depends on the project on here. So I know some of these are actually doing really well. Like Shiba Inu has a large community around it. I kind of was in Shiba Inu from the genesis of Shiba Inu, so kind of seen this one grow a lot. But there are a lot of good projects out there. It just depends on what you like as far as investing is concerned and what your risk tolerance is. So next on here we have Lambda, ticker sign LAMB. They're up 49.53%. And then on the 1 hour, they're up 2.74%. Yeah, XRP's been in the news quite a bit. 30-day on Arc Block, ticker sign ABT. They're up 91.61%. 7-day 59.55%, and 1 hour 1.05%. Um, Dogecoin, I would have to say, fluctuates quite a bit. They're having a small little bullish run, but it's kind of stagnant. But Dogecoin, I see, is kind of manipulated by Elon Musk a lot. So when he tweets about it, Dogecoin seems to go up. So I've kind of been staying away after that SNL skit where he talked about Dogecoin. It seemed like the price was being heavily manipulated by tweets and stuff that he was doing. So it really wasn't on like intrinsic value and utility. So it kind of was more of a, oh, well, Elon Musk is talking about it, so let's buy more. So I didn't really like what was going on with Dogecoin. So I would say XRP, yeah, probably has more potential in my personal opinion. But I would say make sure you go read the white papers for all of these that you can learn about the tokenomics. It'll definitely explain to you how each coin is going to grow in the future. So next on here, and the last one we have uh, Konami Network, ticker sign KONO. On the 30-day, they're up 120.76%. 7-day, they're up 24.57%. And on the 1 hour, they're up 1.69%. So overall, looking very bullish on KONO. Yeah, there are a lot of things that Elon Musk touches that do skyrocket, but Um, just for me, it's kind of hard to time those things because when he started talking about Bitcoin not being efficient, it kind of ruined the price of Bitcoin. But Bitcoin's starting to go back up, even though he hasn't tweeted about it. So definitely, there are a lot of things that do skyrocket because of Elon. But as an investor, you can't really depend on one person's word in order to do that. So when you said Polymatic, okay, you had Polymatic on here. So I'm thinking you were meaning Polygon, or were you meaning Polymatic? So I think Matic is the one you were talking about. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. So yeah, Matic been added to the watch list, and then you said VeChain as well. So let's go on and add a VeChain on here, and then let's go back to the watch list. All right, so Matic got added on here. On their 30-day chart, they're up 44.36%. 7-day, they're at 24.08%. 1 hour, 2.14%. So Matic looking really good as well. Where did VeChain get added on here? VeChain looking good as well, 48.09% on the 30-day. On the 7-day, 11.69%. And then on the 1 hour, 1.59%. So yeah, looking very healthy on that one as well. So yeah, two good choices. I think Polymatic is and VeChain are very good overall, very good projects. But they'll probably rise when Bitcoin rises even more. Um, New to crypto, could you please make a video explaining what mining and staking? Uh, thanks. So I don't specifically have a video about mining. In I guess short terms, what mining is. Mining is where you go and you can run a program called Unminable, and then you can get coins by running the algorithm um, from the software in order to get more coins. One thing about mining is you will have to have a wallet in order to store those coins. So just because you mine coins, you'll have to have some place to deposit them. I would say look into some videos on YouTube about the software called Unminable. It is free to get. You don't have to pay for it. Um, you don't have to, do anything else besides go to unminable.com. If you have a decent GPU, you'll mine faster, but you can use a CPU, and every computer has a CPU. So, um, the computer that I'm mining on has I think it's a fifth generation Core i3 or i5. So it's a very old CPU that I'm using to currently mine Shiba Inu, and I have that on one of the shorts on my videos. So on my channel, I have a short talking about my mine setup. Very basic setup, but you can go the GPU route and get a computer with decent GPU. If you have a basic gaming computer, those usually have really nice GPUs. GTX, 1080 is kind of old, 1080 Ti. I think the GTX is kind of at the 3080, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's the newest one that's out there. But GPUs are super expensive. But if you have money to do that, GPU route is the way. And then Unminable will just be a program that runs in the background on your computer. As far as staking is concerned, staking you can do on a lot of different places. Blockfolio is one way you can stake. I have a link for them down below in the description, and crypto.com is a way you can stake. I have a link down below where you can do that as well. You can also go and do mining on like Shiba Swap. A lot of the coins themselves have mining uh, portals where you can, I mean, staking portals where you can go stake on there as well. So staking is just basically you putting your coins onto an exchange or onto a specific place. So like if you're using, what do you call it, Blockfolio, or BlockFi. That's what it is. BlockFi. If you use BlockFi, staking works is you buy crypto, and then as the crypto comes out, they pay you an interest in the form of crypto. So, just like you go to the bank, and the bank will pay you interest on having your money into their account, even though it's like 0.001%. That interest amount goes into your account as capital. So it's the same way with uh, staking as far as crypto. If you put your crypto on this exchange or these different exchanges, they pay you in interest payments in crypto. So staking is a great way to grow your crypto because it grows in interest for just having the crypto. So, I encourage everybody to get into staking because it's a great way to grow. Mining is a great way as well to grow your account, and just diversify. Diversify, get into a lot of different coins. You can get in the top five ones that are out there. The major ones that you hear a lot of people talk about, or you can get into ones that are a little bit obscure. So platforms that I use, like I said again, crypto.com. I use BlockFi, and then Coinbase. So those are kind of the three major ones that I use. Coinbase just recently IPO'd. It's very easy to make an account on Coinbase. So I would say it was kind of be the number one. Number two, I would say if you want to get into staking, I would say is BlockFi. And then third is Crypto.com. Crypto.com is growing amazingly in popularity. All the links to these are also down below in the description. If you look at the description on any of my videos, I have a link for all of these as well. So, um, Crypto.com is definitely growing largely. You can get a debit card for your Crypto.com account, but the only bad thing about Crypto.com is they don't have a online site. They just have a mobile app, so you can't like log onto your computer onto Crypto.com. You have to go onto your phone or mobile device in order to use Crypto.com. But you can get a lot of good cryptocurrencies on Crypto.com for fiat, which means if you have a basic debit card linked to your account, you can buy crypto. So instead of going to a lot of these different exchanges and then loading up a wallet with Ethereum or Binance Coin or something like that, and then converting that over to something else, you can just go and be like, okay, I want $20 worth of Shiba Inu. Okay, they'll take the $20 that you have worth of Shiba, $20 worth of fiat, and then do a conversion directly to Shiba Inu. So you don't have to say, okay, I got $20 or $50 I want to spend, I got to take that $50 and convert it over to Ethereum, and then pay a fee to transfer it over to another wallet, and then pay a fee to get it switched back over to a different crypto that you want. So I would say look into those three. As far as mining is concerned, I only have experience with unminable, so I would say just look at that as your beginner. And YouTube is the best source for all your information as far as looking is concerned. YouTube is the way that I learned how to mine. So definitely I would say look at YouTube for some background information as how to set up that mine. I haven't really made a tutorial about it yet because I don't have the software on this computer. Yeah, yeah, it is nice to do that too. And then also on all of those platforms as well. One key rule that I like to use as far as when I got into crypto is not your keys, not your coins. So, um, when it comes to the crypto world, security is very paramount. Like it's the number one thing. And you'll see, like, the other day there was a $600 million hack where a lot of people lost a bunch of crypto, $600 million worth to be exact, and this was on a different platform, a DeFi platform. But with that being said, not your keys, not your coins. So if you're on an exchange and that exchange crashes or that exchange gets hacked, then you have potential to lose your money. So you want to make sure that you have access to transfer your coins to a hardware wallet. If you do not have access to do that on the platform that you are using, then you essentially do not own those coins. So, like if you go on Robinhood and you buy Dogecoin, buying Dogecoin on Robinhood are not your coins. It is nice to trade. You can get money on there. You can watch your crypto grow, but you can't take that crypto off of the platform. Similar with like Webull, if you go buy crypto on Webull, you don't have the code or the it's not code. You don't have the coins that you can take physically off. If you go on Coinbase, you can transfer the coins back and forth from that wallet to a hardware wallet. All you need is just your address, which they'll give you. So they'll give you a send address, they'll give you a receive address. Um, as well as if you go onto crypto.com, crypto.com allows you to do it. It's just like sometimes a pain to try to do it because it doesn't have a different interface using the mobile app. So essentially, you're just doing it from your phone because there's no computer. On the Coinbase, they have a mobile app and they have the computer, so it's a little easier for me to do it on the computer. So you can do it that way. You can transfer, coins that way to whatever wallet you want to your hardware wallet. And when it's in your hardware wallet, it's secure. Nobody's going to be able to hack into it unless you gave your seed phrase out to a whole bunch of different people, which you should never do. So definitely those are some great ways to get into crypto. I have a video on my channel explaining the intro to crypto, but I may make another video just for some people who kind of step by step. Also may make a mining video. If that will help you all out, make sure that thumbs up or put a thumbs up in the chat. If a mining video will help you all out, I'll probably try to do one of those here pretty soon for everyone jumping into crypto. So next on here we have Feed Every Gorilla. They are ranked number 2,777 on Coin Market Cap. So on here, all right, yeah. So see thumbs up. Okay, so yeah, I'll let me write those down so I don't forget them, and I'll try to structure a video around those. So a mining video, and then a video. All right, cool. Yep, I'll do it. All right, so it's written down because that's the only way I'm gonna remember. All right, so cool. Next we have Feed Every Gorilla, which is FEG. So they are down 3.10%. This is the current value of FEG at the current moment. If we look on here, they are still stagnant, going sideways. So hopefully FEG will turn around. Like I say on everyone, this is a very unique token. They are based off the Binance Smart Chain as well as the Ethereum blockchain. So you can buy them using Ethereum, or you can buy them using Binance. So very cool that you can do it on both of those. Oh yeah, you watch the penny stocks videos? Yeah, I need to start making some more of those. I kind of fell off with that, just because the market was going crazy. It was hard to find a bunch of penny stocks. But if you like those, I'll try to start those back up as well. I know those helped a lot of people out. Some people like to trade stocks over crypto, so I'll probably try to start those back up. I've kind of been lacking on the stock world, focusing on the crypto world. But yeah, yeah, I'll try to ramp those back up. Um, I know there were two different ones, was like penny stocks and then penny stocks under $1. So I'll try to look back at those as well and try to add those to the rotation. So if you buy $1 worth of Fed today, not 141, $1 worth of Fed today, that's how many coins you'll have. So quite a bit of coins you can get for $1. So um, definitely um, definitely looking at that one overall. It seems like a lot of people like the the penny stocks video. So yeah, definitely gonna be putting that back up here, getting in rotation. So hopefully you guys will tune into that one. And yeah, a lot of people say stocks are a lot easier than crypto. Crypto can be very confusing. I know it's very confusing when I jumped into it, and I still don't understand everything. There's some terms I'm like, what are y'all talking about? So yeah, I'll try to jump back on the stock stuff as well overall. So next on here we have Kishu Inu. They're down 11.99%. So still, what kind of concerns me about Kishu Inu is that they are starting to go sideways and going sideways for a while now. So definitely going to be looking to see what the deal with that one is. If you bought one of Kisha Inu today, that's how many you'll have. So it is very affordable to get quite a bit of coins for Kisha Inu, and you never know, one of these may shoot up to $1, depending on how much people rally about this one. Kisha Inu is actually ranked higher than Feg, so it's ranked number 2,688 compared to Feg, which is like 2,777. Yeah, the money is going to crypto, but stocks are still a great way to invest. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Penny. I mean, it's just whatever you prefer as far as investing is concerned. Um, yeah, I mean, it's just whatever you prefer as far as investing is concerned. Um, would it help you all more if I did a penny stock video um, separately, or if I did it during the live streams? Thumbs up for the live stream. I guess no thumbs up if just separate videos themselves. All right, yeah, I'll do it separately. All right, works for me. All right, so lastly on here we have Baby Dogecoin. So Baby Dogecoin is ranked number 2,615, and I think this is ranked off of like popularity as well as this watch list. So it's on a lot of people's watch list. So I think it's kind of helping it grow in popularity. They're down 3.71%. So definitely gonna be looking to see if this one can bounce back around. And again, this is one of the ones that is sparked around Elon Musk and his tweets. There's some other people who are kind of heavy hitters in the crypto world, like Mark Cuban, but I don't think he really makes any more comments about, I would say, the lower value coins. He only talks about like Bitcoin and Ethereum and stuff like that. So definitely looking to see how that one performs. So if you got $1 of that, Baby Doge, that's how much it will be on here. Um, how many coins you would have today. So just bear in mind, it's not financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest in any of these. I'm just giving you the 411 of what's out here. Also, bear in mind, this is on the Binance Smart Chain. So if you do get a wallet and you load it up with Ethereum, you will not be able to convert that over to Baby Dogecoin. You'll have to go and get some Binance coin and then convert that over to get Baby Doge. So uh, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for your input. I will get back on that, making those penny stock videos, since everybody liked those. So yeah, I'll get back to recording those. As far as AMC is concerned, I have really kind of stayed out of AMC. I know they had an earnings coming up here. I think it was this week. I think it was this Monday, to be honest. But don't really know how AMC has performed since then. Um, Give me a quick second and let me check their stock price. So they're currently at $33 and 7 cents. Having a little bullish run up overall. Today they went up $1.52. But AMC overall, still going to be a little hesitant on this one. I did have a price target of this one around $40, probably about 2 weeks ago. They didn't really hit that level. But going to be seeing how they perform. A key level to look for is around 65, 50, 62, 55, which is what they hit June 2nd. So that's kind of their high value overall, so around the $60 range. But overall, AMC, I don't know how AMC is going to perform. I'm very concerned about AMC as far as business strategy is concerned. Even though they are a meme stock, I'm still concerned about AMC with the whole Delta variant kind of rearing its ugly head overall. So I think the Delta variant is going to kind of put a downer on a lot of different stocks overall, except for like Moderna, Pfizer, and a lot of the medical testing stocks. So we'll see how that works. Theaters were open for a small period of time. I don't know how they're going to be doing now with the Delta variant stuff going on. But hopefully everybody's staying safe out there, staying protected, applying by the guidelines that are out there. Make sure you know you're washing your hands and stuff like that, and just staying safe overall. Trading stocks can be a very lucrative thing, but you do have to go out into society and do society stuff. So you have to worry about that. So definitely going to be looking to see how this performs overall. So definitely going to be looking at that. And I will see you guys next time. I'll get to working on them penny stock videos. So see you guys next time.